Flexible, cost-effective, and capable antennas are important to the many IoT, home and business networking, and other devices that are beginning to leverage 5G and other cellular technologies. TE Connectivity's Lynx Technologies ANT 5GW FPC LH series antennas provide capable performance from 617 to 5000 MHz for use in 5G new radio, LTE, and cellular IoT applications globally. The 120 by 20 mm antennas offer a ground plane independent dipole antenna solution that ensures consistent performance without RF expertise. The antennas are flexible and have an adhesive backing for easy mounting in plastic or other RF transparent enclosures to protect the antenna from damage and provide environmental sealing. They're offered with UFL or MHF4 female plugs on a 50 to 200 mm coax cable for easy connection to the radio.